My name's Matthew Michael and I'm the inventor of Whisk Wiper. Whisk Wiper was an idea that came to me while I was cleaning a whisk in my sink, wiping each loop between my fingers one at a time. I simply wondered, why can't I wipe them all at once? Everyone knows that cleaning a whisk is a pain and that using one is messy. Setting the whisk down means a dirty counter and a dirty whisk. Whisk Wiper makes whisking easy. To use it, insert the whisk into Whisk Wiper, taking a moment to line up the loops. Then whisk away. It keeps the loops up off the counter, and it even catches drips. You can rest the whisk on the edge of the bowl or on the edge of the sink. But when you're done, instead of washing all of that food and water down the drain, simply pull Whisk Wiper off and return 95% of the food to the bowl. But that's not all. Save every last bit using Whisk Wiper to wipe out the bowl. It even gets square corners. Whisk Wiper is a real time saver, more hygienic, and I'm proud of the food and water it will save. Getting the product to this point has been a wonderful experience working with some very talented people. Industrial designer Robert Apodaca created a more functional and aesthetic design, and our mechanical engineer, Arpit Thasoni, refined the engineering for manufacture, and elevations were added to ensure clean lines in the overmolding. Our injection molding is being done here in Los Angeles with Greg Layton at C&G Mercury Plastics, who've been here since 1947. We even found the best whisks in the world in Portland, Oregon, where John Merrifield and his company are completing our 100% made in the USA product. It's time to bring Whisk Wiper to market. With your help, we can complete the production tooling and produce the first batch exclusively for Kickstarter.
Hi, I'm Doug Foreman, and I'd like to introduce to you the first and only spray that uses real butter and goes from butter stick to butter spray in just a few seconds. It's called Beam. Just like you, I like to use real butter when I'm cooking or just eating toast. But the problem with butter is that when people keep it in the fridge, it's always hard and cold. It tears up the toast. Or if you're cooking with it, by the time it melts in the pan, you burn it. So we decided to invent a better way to store and use butter, and here it is, the Beam Butter Sprayer. We created the Beam with a team of world-class engineers from San Francisco. We wanted something that was beautiful, simple, and easy to use, something that you'd be proud of to have in your kitchen or dining room. And we think we've done it. Just insert a stick of butter here, and in seconds, Beam liquefies only the butter you need, not the whole stick, and you're ready to spray in a steady, even beam. You can beam pans for cooking and food release. You can beam bread and rolls, or make the perfect grilled cheese sandwich. You can beam vegetables with just the right amount of butter, and my favorite, beam popcorn for perfect coverage without getting soggy. You can even use the Beam with your favorite cooking oils, even coconut oil if that's what you like. The Beam has a patent-pending nozzle design that won't clog and a high-density rechargeable battery. You can store it on the countertop or in the fridge. It's easy to clean with water and a drop of detergent, and it rinses clean with just the push of a button. Please join us by supporting Beam and help bring our passion for real butter to your kitchen. Thanks.
That moment when you recork a bottle and it just won't fit in the fridge? These stoppers are all about overcoming it. Gear's low-profile bottle stoppers are designed to fit in tight spaces, like refrigerator shelves and wine coolers. When we started thinking about bottle storage, we realized that we could take the eye-catching height of tall decorative stoppers and translate it into a form factor that combines striking design with go-anywhere usefulness. Two of our stoppers have hidden corks and an elegant outer body that hugs any bottleneck. The third is a simple, streamlined design inspired by our silicone storage lids.
Taking on the task of creating bottle stoppers with a low-profile design opened up a great opportunity for us to look at a bottle's neck as valuable real estate.
Like everything we do, it's about more than just making things look awesome. Each cork has several fins providing a multi-stage airtight seal, so you can even put your bottles on their sides worry-free.
We're not just focusing on function, we're creating art that works.
It's a more intelligent approach to bottle stoppers, and we think you'll love it.
If you ask any chef, they'll tell you that a high-quality chef knife is the most essential tool in the kitchen and is used to make virtually every dish. My mission is ambitious, but I want to make the world's best kitchen knives. Hello, my name is Adam Ackerman and I'm a serial entrepreneur, and I also love to cook. This has led me to found my new company, Habitat. Our first product is the game-changing Canassa chef knife, which is ultra sharp and stays sharp 5 times longer than any other steel knife on the market. We've reinvented the chef's knife as we know it. And liftoff. NASA conducted 4 space flight experiments that helped perfect a new alloy that's twice as strong as titanium. The use of this ultra-hard metal is the first real innovation in knife making in hundreds of years. The Canassa knife edge is formed using this patented alloy from NASA. The patent-pending step you are seeing here is the permanent bonding of this revolutionary alloy to the stainless steel knife body. The result is a knife that's among the sharpest in the world right out of the box and stays sharp 5 times longer. It's better than the most expensive professional knives for a fraction of the price. Here you see close-ups of the self-serrating edge. As new teeth are exposed through use, the knife becomes self-sharpening. And when this is combined with Rockwell hardness in excess of 70, you can understand why this knife is superior to Damascus steel knives for ultra sharpness and durability. With our new patented knife making process in place, we focus on the design of the knife. We knew it needed to be intuitive for the user, durable, light, comfortable, high quality, visually appealing, and most importantly, it needed to be sharp. So we went to work sketching hundreds of designs that we thought would appeal to professional chefs, cooking enthusiasts, as well as everyone in between. There is a very specific reason every part of the Canassa knife looks and feels the way it does, and it has a lot to do with the angle of the knife blade. The steeper the blade angle, the sharper the knife. Now the Canassa knife is an aggressive 12.5 degrees per side or 25 degrees total. This enables you to use our chef knife as an all-in-one kitchen knife. It will easily cut through vegetables, bread, meat, and fish. It will quickly become your go-to for any cutting needs.
Hi, my name is Mitchell Allen. I've been a professional chef for 15 years. This knife is so sharp and so durable, and for the value, under $100, I can do everything with this knife. It's quite amazing. You'll never have to use another knife again. I would always tell my friends and my chef friends to use the Canassa knife. It is an amazing tool.
By enlisting the world's brightest minds, including manufacturing partners, material specialists, designers, scientists, and supply chain experts, we aim to revolutionize the kitchen knife as we know it. Over the past 24 months, our team has invested our time, energy, money, and resources to bring to market, in our opinion, the best kitchen knife on the planet. Now we're asking for your support to continue our first production run, help fund custom tooling, purchase needed equipment to automate and increase the precision of our patented process, purchase materials, and hire more skilled labor. Now we're so confident that we're going to deliver our knife on time and as promised that if we do not, we'll refund 100% of your initial pledge. We're excited to be launching on Kickstarter and even more excited to get our knives in your hands and your kitchens. And with your support, I know we can do it.